All right, guys, good morning. Did a little math with the weather team, Joe Punday specifically. 21.1, that is the total for January. That actually puts us 3 times what we got last year, 7.5 inches of snow for the entire year. So we are running well above average, 7.2 inches above average for the month. So this has been a snowy month and way snowier than last year. Take a look at the numbers this morning. We are into the teens and low 20s. We have a little bit of wind out there, so that's why some single digits are being achieved, especially into White Plains. There's some snow, and we were curious if we get some wraparound back-end snow on this coastal storm, certainly being found across Nassau and Suffolk County this morning. You can see moisture still gathering off to the south. That's going to head off towards the east, and now we're bringing in the cold air, the Arctic air, off to the west. So in terms of precipitation, not much. I could see a couple of snow showers across Fairfield County up into Dutchess County today. Otherwise, clear skies, and it's all about the polar vortex. That has been a term that's been used all winter long, and the difference with this one is that this is going to go well down to the south. So we do have a shot at running to 0 by the middle of the week. So we'll start to feel the harsh temperatures on Tuesday. Gets worse before it gets better. It could be around 4 Wednesday morning in New York City, negative digits. That's negative digits north and west. And then we may get to 0 for the first time in 10 years in New York by Thursday morning. Everybody could get close to 0 from the Hudson Valley back down towards the Jersey Shore. So each day gets progressively colder, and then a really cold setup as we head into the weekend. We do have cold weather advisories for good reason. Just a snapshot at what this could look like. Modeling is suggesting upwards of 20 degrees below 0 for the northwest suburbs. Okay, so that's when you get into that frostbite territory, hypothermia territory. Speak, Mike, as we go into the end of the week. So that's why we have weather alerts on the 7-day forecast. We got teens as we go towards the end of the week, and then you're looking ahead and you're saying, all right, what's that about? Storm watch by Sunday. There is another storm as we head towards the latter half of the weekend. I'm going to explain more about that, some ideas on that. So yes, there are the models suggesting we could get back into some snow in a week's time frame. So details on that coming up at 6:30. Julie Malay's in the traffic center in for Alexa. How are we doing, Julie?